In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find meme coins before they explode. And if you can actually find good meme coins before they go viral, you can make a good sum of money off that particular coins. And guys, I'd like to say that all the coins that I'm going to analyze in this particular video, I don't recommend you buy those coins because by the time you get to see this video, those coins might have done what they want to do and they might be dying time you get. So I don't recommend you buy the coins. All I want you to do is look what you do. Learn how I use Dexscreener to research these particular coins, and you can use that particular knowledge in your own to research these coins too. You get. I'm not recommending you buy any particular coins in this video. Before you get in, please go to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. So on Dexscreener, the first thing to do is to come on the say filters, and you can check on all platforms. I'm going to click on Solana. It will really Solana meme coins because this is where the volume is. Click on save. Then for liquidity, I'm going to show that the particular token go to trade as minimum of $1 liquidity. This shows that these coins are we get. Then for the market cap, probably will leave this open, and I'm going to leave all of this open and just tap on apply. The next thing I'm going to do is to copy this place that said profile. I'm going to check this to ensure that it brings us coins that has profiles, coins that have that's what we have paid at the screener. You get. Then for this, I'm going to check this button. That's going to give me coins that's currently trending in the last 5 or 1 hour. I can see. So the next thing to do is simply open up these particular coins in a new tab, which I'll be doing right away. I'm going to open up at least the first 3 of them in a new tab, and if you check where you can see that their market cap is quite small, which means that this is actually very good. Coins with small market cap, you tend to make more money from it. So the next thing we're doing is to actually confirm if the liquidity is locked. If you watch my video, you know that you can use this boot called TTL boot to check if liquidity is locked. You get this actually a very good coin, and you can see the way it is going up, like this particular uh chart is not looking like a rock. You get a coin that is a rock or a scam coin. You're going to see it going up straight. I'm going to see that it's going to be going up straight yet. But you can see this, it went up, a little pullback up, little pullback up. You get. So this shows that this coin probably is a good coin. You get probably. So you just first need to check it to check if liquidity is locked, and which I'll be checking right away by using the boot called TTF boot. So come to this place, copy the contract address, then you have to head to Telegram. So guys, on Telegram, this is the name of the boot, TTF boot. You can search it. Then come to this place, simply paste the CA that you have copied and click on search. So this boot is going to run analysis on this particular coin, and it's going to check if the coin is actually good. So let's just give it a second. While we are waiting, please go to like this video. I prefer to have one like and one video than to have zero, to have plenty views and some like. As you can see, it shows multiple metadata. As you see, this means that this particular coin can be altered. You get, though the liquidity, which you can say liquidity is not completely bought, 65% bought. It means that the money in this particular coin can still be pulled. After a lot of places have bought this particular coin, you can see the liquidity. Once they move the liquidity, it is all gone. And I'm told that all this is 5%, but because this is this multiple metadata, it typically shows that if you not buy this particular coin, you get the coin is not good. The chart might be looking very nice, but we should not buy this particular coin. You get. So what we'll be doing is simply ignore the coin. We'll come back to it later on and move to the next one, which is this particular one called Lee. And the chart is looking very good too, but liquidity is not locked yet, as you can see. So there's no padlock. If liquidity is not locked in the coin, it's possible that okay, they want to scam us. Also that they have already locked liquidity but yet to reflect in their screen. But you can use this boot to check. It shows it also shows liquidity unlock, very low liquidity. Liquidity they put in the coin was $10 liquidity, which is very bad. So which means that we can't really buy this particular token if the coin is doing well. And you can check the next one. And this particular liquidity is locked, as you can see. I will still have to confirm. But putting in 5 minutes, you can see that this coin, this massive deep right here, you get. So let's check if liquidity is locked. So guys, for most newbies that don't know these things, they go out buy this coin before you know the move liquidity and they get scam. But since you know these things, you won't be able to get scam this because tools like this help you to prevent scams. And you should know that in meme coins, thousands of meme coins are recruited every single day. Just few of them that get to do really, really well. And this was this plan watch thing. Okay, market cap 91. All of this. So this coin is not giving the real details about this particular coin, but you can use other platform called workchecker.com to confirm since Stable is not telling us what it needs. So you just click on new tab, search for workchecker.com, workcheck.io, but let's just search for it. So you click on the first one. So guys, this is it. So you just have to place the contract address and tap on check. Workcheck.io is going to, oh yes, can see right here, danger. It says that risk analysis is danger, low amount of liquidity providers. So you can see, as you see this danger, still means that this coin is not good. So you can see, guys, the first three coins that we open, though they might be looking really well in the chart, but they are not actually very good coin. You get not very good coin. This one has multiple metadata. Liquidity is not completely locked. This other one too, liquidity is not locked, which is a very big red flag. And this particular one, it feels this one honestly shows danger, which means that you can come back here and do a look for other coins to get. So for newbies does not know about this, they will go and buy these coins and they get scammed. So you can simply open up more of these coins. There are other coins too that we surely do where you get. So let's open up new ones. Let's open up new ones. So guys, for you to make money from 3D Memecoin too, you need to spend time on the chart scanning for good coins you get. And once you get that good coins, into the simply buy into that coins and you just leave. You get it don't hold the coins for a long time. So let's quickly check this particular one. This TT road. Jesus A. Let's see. Hopefully this will be a very good one. Okay, this particular one is good. Loose claim to nice can see right here. Liquidity is locked and everything is actually good. So you total does 35%. It's still not very bad. You can see this. We should have found this one which is good. Created about 6 hours ago and tried is looking good today. So the next thing is probably can check their Twitter to see people are posting about it, but they have about 1,000 orders. So you can simply check this. I always do this to see if people are putting in money to this particular coin. I know people are actually putting money to this particular coin. So the next is also look for ways to buy. Because entry, you look for entry level to enter because from the 15 minutes chart, you can see that the highest this one I've gotten to is about 800k as you can see right. And now it's currently at this level. So the coin has been ready from this particular place and this was a good place for you to buy this particular place. So you buy this place and once you get 800k or close to you can say you get. So people are still holding this coin. There's still a lot of volumes coming in. 4.6k volume, which is still not bad to get. So this how you can actually research this coin. Remember, you don't buy meme coin to hold for days. You buy meme coin to hold for few hours. You buy, keep looking at it. Once it pumps, take profit and go. You get. Also, guys, if you check that Twitter, you see that a lot of people are using this particular coin on Twitter is trendy. It probably shows that the coin might do really very well. So you can buy, take little profit, leave some amount, and if the coin go well, you can make profit off it. So let's check this other one too. Again, this other one you can really check this contract address too. I think this one was being on for a while now. Okay, it was created about how many hours ago? Okay, it's not showing this, but let's just check this first. Which is the most important. Okay, is the coin is not good. I can see multiple metadata. I think it was like the previous one that we opened before. Let's check this last one. This is the last one we are going to check. And I'm going to express similar things to you guys on this last one because I don't think that I'm saying. So you guys can see that trading meme coin is not really easy. Most people think that just come to desk and look for coins to buy. But as you can see, and these coins that we have seen, these ones they are not all good. Okay, so not all goods are worth, not all coins are worth trading. You just have to spend time trading, but I believe, guys, just can see how to actually use this screener to do this. You get. So guys, if you actually want to you don't want to waste time on this screener searching for coins, actually use Phantom Wallet to do this. I'll make the video on how to use Phantom Wallet to find edit coins, because on Phantom Wallet, the search Phantom Wallet where they do drop trendy coins and coins that are verified. You get. I'll be leaving that video, the link to that video in the description box, and you can also find it by the screen. You just click on that video and get to see how you can use Phantom Wallet to trade. So guys, I'll be leaving you guys now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. See my next video. Peace out.